Hi, I'm Kat, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron. In this video, I'm going to introduce our Behavioural Activation Worksheet before showing you how you can implement it within your healthcare practice. Behavioural activation therapy is a type of therapeutic treatment that has been designed to help clients manage their mental health. Behavioural activation therapy is often used as part of CBT, but it is just as effective as a standalone intervention. Essentially, behavioural activation uses behaviours to influence and alter clients' emotional states. Encouraging clients to engage in behaviours that reinforce positive emotional and thought patterns can have significant impacts on improving mental health disorders. Our worksheet is intuitively designed and easy to use. The first thing you need to do is access the template via the link on our page, from where it can be downloaded onto your device. Next, you need to give the worksheet to your patients, using either a physical copy or an electronic link. And then finally, the patient needs to complete the worksheet. This is where it gets a little more complicated, so let's take a closer look at the specific details of the template. As you can see, the worksheet is presented as a table. There are 3 rows: morning, afternoon, and evening, and then 7 columns, 1 for each day of the week. The patient should consider the specific behaviours that they want to engage in during each day and log them prior to the beginning of the week. For example, the client may want to go for a walk on Monday morning, or focus on strengthening their relationships by calling their parents one evening. Here is a copy of a completed worksheet based on a fictional client so you can have a closer look at further behavioural examples. It is also possible to access the Behavioural Activation Worksheet from inside the Carepatron platform. After you have logged into your account, navigate to the template section, filter by Community Templates, and then plug in the keywords related to your search. When you've found the worksheet that you want to use, select the Choose Template icon and then assign your client to the worksheet. This is the Draft tab, and you simply have to click in the relevant sections before selecting the Publish button to save securely.